Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ukhongolose usazoqhubeka nokubamba amatomu ombuso ngisho nasemva kokhetho. uRamaphosa kanye nowayeyiphini likamengameli kuleli uDavid Mabuza bazochitha izinsuku ezintathu KwaZulu-Natal bekhankasela i-ANC. Ngesikhathi ekhuluma esifundeni inkosi Bambatha eMdlovane maphakathi neKwaZulu-Natal, uRamaphosa uthe akangabazi ukuthi ke abantu basawuthanda ukhongolose.
I have no doubt the people of South Africa have always loved the ANC in their majorities, and they've always returned the ANC to be the government of the country. And even in this case, yes, there is scientific evidence, but there is on-the-ground evidence as well. And there's also historical evidence that we tend to rely on.
uRamaphosa uphinde wathi ukugadla kancane eqenjini umkhonto wesizwe.
Abanye bazofika bathi thina so-MK. I-MK ila kwa-ANC. Akusiyona le-MK. I-MK yaziwayo uNkosi Albert Luthuli.
Kulamasonto amathathu edlule i-ANC ibonakale ijuba abaholi bayo abanamangwevu ukuzogayela leli qembu ivoti KwaZulu-Natal. Kodwa-ke sekuyobonakala seqoqwa uma amaqembu esedlana imilala evotini ukuthi iliphe liyoba yenkunzi ekhona isibaya. Ezindabeni zethu ku-163 olethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngenguntando Mnyandu eMdlovane maphakathi nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal.